Hello, employer. I'm Mahol Kevin Kim, 32 years old. I'm Ugandan by nationality. I'm a graduate. I hold a diploma in crop production and management from Bustuma University, Arapai campus. I also hold a certificate in general agriculture from Bustuma University, Arapai campus. Currently, I am in Sweden working in a dairy farm, and my duties are feeding the cows, 8,000 cows, cleaning the milking parlor, cleaning the pen and the barn, opening of silage, disease diagnosis in sick cows and treatment of sick animal under supervision, and helping out in daily farm activities. Before coming to this farm, I worked in Helsingborg in an horticulture farm in 2024. And before coming to Sweden, I work with several organizations in Uganda, like Nuri and Ralnakt. I work as the Agricultural Extension Officer. I also work with Goal Uganda as the peer educator and youth researcher volunteer. I'm hardworking, result-oriented, honest, and have good interpersonal skill. Hoping for the best for this program. Thank you. Bye.